The Director General of Police Meghalaya, Dr. R Bishnoi, addressed media persons regarding the Meghalaya Police's role in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections in the state. During today's briefing, the DGP stated that after a virtual meeting between the Chief Electoral Officer and the Meghalaya police officers, it was decided to strictly adhere to guidelines to maintain law and order during the upcoming elections.
One meeting already taken by the CEO. And today, the Election Commission of India, the team, they have reviewed the Assam and Meghalaya arrangement. Assam, they are physically present. In Meghalaya, they reviewed it through the video conferencing. That is why all the officers were here. They attended meetings. And whatever Election Commission's guidelines will be there, that will be fully implemented. And we will not allow anybody to create problems in any areas, in any constituencies. So it will be a free, fair and peaceful election.
Sir, for election, is the Meghalaya police asking for more force?
Yeah, Meghalaya police will be getting the last time what the quantum of force was there, the same quantum will be deployed. And if need arises, we can ask more force. And some force, I think probably a 12 company will be going to other states from the Meghalaya police also. We will be sending to other states so that election will be held in phases. So force deployment will not be a problem.
So how many are these sensitive and hypersensitive?
So that data is there. Today they have discussed all the SPs and the vulnerability and the criticals and the classification is almost completed. And once the CEO office approved it, then data I will release it to the press. Definitely, this will help in the sense that we got nearly 80 Bolero for every police station. So patrollings and the monitoring will be easy by using those brand new vehicles. Other than that, we have also received nearly 250 motorcycles. So those motorcycles will be used as a patrolling mobile squads to enter in the small areas where the large vehicle cannot go. So that will facilitate the dominating of areas, interior far-flung areas. Other than that, we got also the 6 number of cranes also. So by using that, if any accident occurs, immediately that can be taken care of.
Sir.
Regarding the seizure of drugs by the Meghalaya police, Dr. R Bishnoi reported that a total of 610 arrests have been made, with 10% of those involving women traffickers. Bishnoi also mentioned that the quantity of recovered drugs has been increasing each year since 2022.
Using the technologies to nab the drug traffickers, and our special branch and the CIDs, they are playing pivotal roles in using technology to trace the backward and the forward linkages of the drug traffickers. We are also sharing our inputs with the adjoining states so that the coordinated efforts can be put to control these problems. Other than that, we are also associating ourselves with the rehabilitation process, and in many police stations, the counseling cells are open, so they also started counseling to the drugs victims particularly, by inviting the family members as well. We are also taking the help of the media, particularly electronic and print media, and you are also playing very important roles in generating awareness by publishing news frequently about the drugs recoveries. And the Honorable CM has given us vision of drugs-free Meghalaya, and he continuously appreciating our efforts by using the social media tweets and other things.